Hi dear students, I am Dr. Ramkrishna Mandal from VSCE Academy, Below Math Now. We will discuss UPSC Prelims 2019 to 2024 Trend Summary. More conceptual and analytical questions. Static while Sir. Current Affairs Integration. Expanding current affairs scope. Now covering 3 to 4 years instead of just 1 year. Increased weightage for environment and science tech. Approximately 30 to 35% of the paper. History focus shift. More questions on modern India and freedom struggle. Economy and polity. Questions more analytical. Policy impact. Constitutional provisions. RBI policies. CSAT. More focus on math and logical reasoning. Lengthy comprehension passages. Now we will discuss UPSC Mains Trends 2019 to 2024. General approach. Increasing focus on analytical and application-based questions. More emphasis on current affairs, interdisciplinary linkages, and governance-related issues. Essay paper. Shift from philosophical topics towards ethical and governance-based themes. More abstract topics requiring critical thinking rather than static knowledge. GS Paper 1. History, Geography, Society. Consistent focus on modern history, particularly freedom struggle and post-independence consolidation. World history has limited weightage. Geography questions are increasingly map-based and application-driven. Society questions focus on gender, social issues, and globalization impacts. GS Paper 2. Polity, Governance, IR. Strong emphasis on constitutional interpretation, judicial decisions, and governance issues. IR section increasingly focuses on India's foreign relations with major powers, multilateral groupings like Quad, BRICS, G20, and evolving geopolitics, India-China, India-Russia, etc. GS Paper 3. Economy, Environment, Science and Technology, Internal Security. Economic questions emphasize post-COVID recovery, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and digital economy. Environment and climate change questions are increasing. Science and Tech section now includes AL, cybersecurity and space technology. Internal security questions focus on left-wing extremism, cyber threats, and border security. GS Paper 4. Ethics, Integrity, Aptitude. Increasing focus on case studies related to real-world ethical dilemmas in administration. More weightage on public service values, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision-making. Thank you and studying made simple. Hit subscribe for clear explanations, study tips, and everything you need to succeed.